It's time to relax. You know what that means. A glass of wine, your favorite easy chair, and of course, this compact disc playing on your home stereo.
I rode her off for the 10th Sunday. Florida?